Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0017 indicates a correlation issue between the Camshaft Position CMP sensor B and the Crankshaft Position CKP sensor in Honda Civics from 2016 to 2021. These sensors are critical components within the vehicle's engine management system. The CMP sensor monitors the position of the camshaft to help regulate timing for fuel injection and ignition, while the CKP sensor provides essential information about the crankshaft's position and speed for proper engine timing. Together, they ensure efficient engine operation, optimal performance, and adherence to emission standards. When both sensors are functioning properly, the engine operates smoothly. However, any correlation issue may result in poor performance, misfires, or even engine stalling. It is crucial to address DTC P0017 promptly to prevent further complications and maintain vehicle performance. DTC P0017 pertains to the correlation failure between the camshaft position sensor B and the crankshaft position sensor. The CMP sensor B is responsible for determining the position of the camshaft, which plays a significant role in ensuring that the timing of fuel injection and spark ignition is accurate. It is generally located on the engine cylinder head near the exhaust camshaft. On the other hand, the CKP sensor measures the crankshaft's position and rotational speed, located near the crankshaft pulley. Both these sensors send vital information to the Engine Control Module, ECM, to help regulate engine functions such as timing and performance. If these sensors are not in sync, it can lead to severe performance issues and even engine damage if not addressed in a timely manner. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0017. First, connector issues, such as poor connections or loose terminals at the CKP sensor or CMP sensor B, could disrupt signal transmission, leading to correlation problems. Second, incorrect installation of these sensors can cause synchronization failures. Proper installation is crucial to their functionality. Another common cause is damage to the CMP pulse plate B, which can occur due to wear or physical impact. Misalignment in camshaft timing can also prevent the sensors from functioning correctly. And if the cam chain is stretched or damaged, it may compromise the timing mechanism. Lastly, a faulty CKP sensor can result in erroneous readings, leading to correlation errors with the CMP sensor. Identifying the exact cause is essential for effective troubleshooting. Symptoms of DTC P0017 can manifest in various ways, primarily impacting engine performance. One of the most common symptoms is rough idling. The engine may shake or vibrate at idle due to incorrect timing information being relayed to the ECM. Additionally, misfires may occur, which can lead to various driving troubles, including hesitation and loss of power during acceleration. Engine stalling is another severe symptom, where the engine may abruptly shut off while at rest or during driving, presenting a safety hazard. Drivers may also notice poor fuel efficiency, as incorrect timing can lead to unburned fuel or incomplete combustion. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help in addressing potential issues before they escalate into more significant engine problems. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0017 is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Subsequently, the next action is to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which resets the fault code stored in the ECM. Following this, the engine should be started to observe if the DTC reappears. It is critical to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again with the HDS post-engine start. If DTC P0017 is indicated at this stage, it verifies the failure is repeating. and further diagnosis is required. If there are no codes indicated, the issue may be intermittent, suggesting that the system could be functioning normally at that moment. In such cases, it is crucial to investigate for poor connections or loose terminals at both the CKP sensor and CMP sensor B, as well as at the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Step 2 in the troubleshooting process involves ensuring that the CKP sensor and CMP sensor B are correctly installed. To begin, turn the vehicle off completely and switch to the lock position to ensure safety. Next, perform a thorough inspection of both sensors to confirm they are seated properly in their respective locations. The alignment and connection of these sensors can significantly affect their performance and the overall functioning of the engine. If the sensors are found to be incorrectly installed, immediate reinstallation is necessary to ensure precise readings. Following this, perform a retest to check for DTC P0017 again. If the installation is confirmed to be correct, proceed to the next troubleshooting step to further isolate the issue. In troubleshooting step 3, the next objective is to visually inspect the CMP pulse plate B after removing the CMP sensor B. Start by ensuring the vehicle is off before proceeding with this task to ensure safety. The CMP pulse plate is a vital component that must remain undamaged for the sensor to function correctly. Look for any signs of wear, fractures, or other forms of damage on the pulse plate. If any damage is discovered, it will necessitate a more extensive repair, which includes replacing the exhaust camshaft entirely, as the pulse plate is integrated into this component. However, if the pulse plate appears intact, you should move on to the next troubleshooting step to investigate if camshaft timing is within specifications. The fourth step involves checking the camshaft timing to ensure it is correctly aligned. Camshaft timing is crucial for synchronizing the engine's intake and exhaust cycles. Verify the timing marks align according to the manufacturer's specifications as per the service manual. This is a vital aspect of engine performance, and any discrepancy may result in the error code being triggered. If the camshaft timing is found to be out of specification, it will require resetting to restore proper synchrony between the crankshaft and camshaft. After resetting, it is critical to recheck for DTC P0017 to determine whether the issue has been resolved. Should the timing be confirmed as accurate, you must progress to the next step of inspecting the cam chain. Step 5 focuses on examining the condition of the cam chain, which plays a fundamental role in maintaining timing accuracy. Inspect the cam chain carefully for any signs of damage or excessive stretching, which could lead to timing issues. Stretching or wear can severely affect performance and can cause significant internal damage if not rectified. If there is any visible damage, or if the chain appears excessively stretched, a replacement of the cam chain and the cam chain auto tensioner will be necessary to restore timing integrity. Such repairs are essential to ensure that the engine runs smoothly without triggering error codes or experiencing performance drops. If the cam chain checks out okay, move on to the final steps of checking the CKP sensor. The sixth and final troubleshooting step for DTC P0017 involves the CKP sensor. Begin by substituting a known good CKP sensor into the vehicle to assess if the original sensor is defective. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely reconnected to avoid any poor signal transmission. Once the replacement is complete, turn the vehicle to the on position and clear the DTC with the HDS for an accurate assessment. Start the engine and check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again using the HDS. If DTC P0017 is still indicated, this suggests issues with the sensor have been ruled out. In this case, further exploration of authorized service information related to the DTC is necessary, or it may require substitution of a known good powertrain control module, PCM, to determine if that resolves the problem. After completing the troubleshooting procedures for DTC P0017, it is crucial to verify that all repairs have been successful. Start by checking for any recurring DTCs to ensure that the initial issue does not persist. This step is essential, as it confirms that the error has been resolved and that the sensors and timing mechanisms are now functioning correctly. Once confirmed, perform a thorough road test of the vehicle under different driving conditions to observe its performance and ensure that the engine runs smoothly without triggering any further codes. Pay close attention to symptoms like idling, throttle response, and acceleration to guarantee the issue is entirely rectified. This final verification process is vital to ensure the reliability and safety of the vehicle post-repair. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0017 in your Honda Civic. Regular inspections of both the CMP and CKP sensors can help detect issues early before they manifest into failures. Additionally, maintaining a routine schedule for oil changes is crucial, since clean oil promotes better lubrication and minimizes wear on components related to timing. Always ensure that the timing settings are checked and adjusted during regular maintenance to avoid misalignment that can trigger DTCs. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is key for the longevity of engine components and will result in optimal performance. Implementing these preventive steps helps ensure that your vehicle operates efficiently and reliably over time. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P0017 is vital for maintaining the performance of your Honda Civic. The correlation issue between the CMP sensor B and CKP sensor can lead to significant engine performance degradation if not properly diagnosed and repaired. Identifying root causes such as installation errors, timing discrepancies, or sensor malfunctions is essential to successful troubleshooting. Following each specific step in the troubleshooting process ensures that no area is overlooked. Finally, implementing preventive maintenance can significantly mitigate the chances of future DTC P0017 occurrences, maintaining the vehicle's reliability. By being proactive and informed about DTC P0017, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Civics remain in optimal working condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.